Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the basics. Make sure your iPhone is signed into the same Apple ID as the missing watch and open the Find My app. Once done, go to Devices and tap the Apple Watch entry. This starts device polling. If the watch shows a last seen location, note it and head there. You keep Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled on your phone to improve detection range because the watch uses nearby Apple devices to update its status. Now refine your search. If Find My shows the watch online, choose Play Sound and listen closely because the tone is subtle at long range. If it's offline, tap directions to the last known coordinates and search that area methodically, checking pockets, cushions, and bags. Also enable Notify when found and mark as lost so the network will alert you if any nearby Apple device detects the watch, which increases chances of recovery without continuous checking. To finish, perform a close-range sweep. Walk slowly with your iPhone, pausing and circling areas while watching Find My for a status change because proximity improves Bluetooth handshake. If you locate the watch, remove Lost Mode and reconnect. If not, check nearby Lost and Founds and ask neighbors. If recovery fails, erase the watch remotely to protect data and contact Apple support or local lost property for help. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.